My life moves in perfect harmony with my body and is full of happiness. I always choose what I want. I love my character, body and soul. I am grateful to the world for living and enjoying life. I am responsible for every act I do. I am completely safe. I am guarded by my guardian angel. My emotions are only positive and bring joy. I have confidence and peace of mind in my heart for the future. My state of mind is in complete balance. I live on a wave of positivity. My decisions are balanced and correct. I am confidently moving towards prosperity in business. I am a magnet for success and happiness. My support is my family. I am going through my unique life path. I am grateful to others for their love and warmth. My inner voice always helps me. I solve any problems carefully. My mistakes and achievements give me a rich life experience. My internal changes are only for the better. Every day gives me more love and joy from life. I eliminate all stereotypes and live for my own pleasure. My life is full and successful. I let go of the past and build the future. I always thank the universe for my good health.